what's up? So in today's video, we're going to be making a closure wig. So I got these bundles for Ivy hair. Okay, now I'm going to take my BW powder. This is bleach, and I'm going to be bleaching the knots on the closure. So this is the powder, and then I'm going to be taking some 30 volume developer, and I'm just going to mix it together. And to know that you have the perfect consistency, your brush would stand up like by itself. So I was trying to show y'all like the bleach, the bleach, but it was too like washed out. You can see it, but I just keep on adding till I like the consistency of the bleach. But I'm going to show you that when you mix it and you stand your brush up, if your brush stands straight up, then you can use it. Like, cause you don't want it to be too watery or too thick. Boom. So I'm just gonna go in and add that all over the closure, and then after I get done, I'm just going to put aluminum foil over. Voiceovers are so hard. I ain't did voiceover in a long time. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be sewing in that first bundle, and this is the 24-inch. And I'm just gonna be again sewing from the bottom up and working my way up. And the first line of track, like where I place it, is actually on the elastic band, so I don't go through the fabric in the elastic band. I just go through the piece of fabric that's on the top, like. And you're able to like feel it like with the needle, what I'm referring to, but. Okay, so now that the closure is bleached, it should look something like this. I'm going to take some neutralizing shampoo and just wash it out. Okay, now I'm just going to begin sewing in that second bundle, and this is going to be the 22. so now that bundle is on, I'm going to go to the frontal. Not frontal, the closer, and I'm just going to be adjusting it to where I want it. And then I'm going to be pinning it in place and then braiding the hair out of my way so I can begin to sew. Now, when I sew a closer or a frontal, I usually start at the back and I go from the middle right or from the middle left, then the middle right, and making sure I'm tugging, stretching it out to make sure that the closure or frontal is going to lay flat. So that's me starting in the middle, and then I'm just going to be sewing left first. And then I'm going to finish that off and then do the right side. Now I'm just going to be taking the jet black by Door, and I'm just going to be watercoloring the entire wig jet black. The water is warm, by the way, I'm saying the color. Then I'm just going to dip it in, and I'm making sure that I get the frontal first because some of the bleach bleached the hair, so I want to make sure that the closure got colored. And also I'm just going to be letting the wig sit in the color and just absorb all the color that's in the water. So I went and ate, so it was about 20 minutes. Okay, now the colors washed out and everything, I'm just going to be taking my blow dry and blow drying the wig. Okay, so in the middle of blow drying, I decided to go ahead and start plucking because the hair was still a little damp on the closure. So I just started plucking the closure a little bit. Now I flipped the wig inside out so I can cut off the extra fabric that's underneath the closure. You can be able to see where you stitched it, and you would just cut like in the middle of there. I also went in with some foundation just to tint the lace too. And this is the wig with the little part cut out. As you can see, that's what it's supposed to look like. Now I'm just gonna put it back on and begin hot combing her flat. So when I hot comb it flat, I like to push back the front first, like comb it in the direction that I want the hair to go, and push back the front. Just taking some tweezers to the middle part and just trying to clean it up just a little bit. And I also went in with some makeup on the part as well. Now I'm going to use my bed head waver just to cramp the hair, and I didn't use any spritz or anything like. Well, I did, but I didn't just spray it on. You know how you're supposed to take piece by piece and spray it on there? I didn't do that. I just went through and crimped it. And then at the end, I did one big final mist of got to be spray. And not too much though, because she didn't want her hair to be hard or anything like that, so. How the wig turned out. And then I went in with some hair polisher by the company Shine, I want to say. But the curls, the waves are so pretty. Like, they're so pretty. The hair was so soft and beautiful. Loved it, loved it, loved it. And I really wanted this wig for myself. I was like, girl, let me have this. No, but that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this wig and did I slay it or not, because I feel like I did. And until next time, I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.